wheel.
Hello,
They
man.
come in sets of 4.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine, man. So, what's your name?
Gret. I'm Gret.
Greg.
I represent WheelMe. We're a Norwegian robotics company.
You have 5 locations across the world. Okay.
So we have one location in Oslo, Norway. That's where our company is headquartered out of.
Okay.
Our production's in Fredrikstad, Norway. And then we have an office in Berlin, Germany. And then one in Detroit out of the new lab facility right by the train station. And then one out as well in Mexico.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay, so how it's work, man?
So this is an autonomous wheel. They come in sets of 4, and they can be attached to any existing infrastructure using our bolt pattern here.
Okay.
And it will convert anything into an autonomous robot.
So basically, these are customized wheels which are used to convert any cart into autonomous robot. If I can show my viewers, there are a lot of examples of this product which are widely used in warehouse. It can lift up to 800 pounds. That is massive.
There's a LiDAR in the corner.
Okay.
Our main wheels look like this. They also have a computer within this component here.
Okay.
And 2 cameras as well. So how it works is we'll take it to a customer site, mount the wheels to the robot, or like the actual cart, turning it into the robot. We'll take it around manually with a joystick. It'll scan its environment using the LiDARs, the cameras, into our software application.
Okay.
We'll create a map, and then from there, we can set key points along to make it like a mission or a use case within.
I have a quick question. Is it possible to use it with any type of cart? Is this an easy task?
Yeah, so I mean there are some restrictions, like one right now, we can handle payloads up to 880 pounds. Anything above that we cannot currently do.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah, it was great to meet you too.
Thank you.